morning, I have a bit of a problem. You see, I've got a boring background, and nobody likes having a boring background. So I decided that instead of just sitting here dealing with my boring background, I'm gonna put something there to make it a bit more interesting. Okay, so all the lights are now set up, and on the building front, everything is looking fantastic. What we need to do now is replace the boring default lights that came with it, which are just on or off, just white or nothing, and controlled by a physical switch, with much cooler LED RGB lights, which we can control over Wi-Fi. Then after I do that, I can write a Python script, which talks to the lights, and we can control them based on whatever we want. Now I want to control them based on my Codeforces submissions, and I feel like for my YouTube channel, where the main thing I do is programming contests, this would literally be the perfect background. There's no way to do better than this. I also just kind of want to say, I've done this entire thing in one afternoon. Like literally, it was 7 p.m. when I started unwrapping those boxes, and I'm gonna try and finish the entire thing all today. I know Rome wasn't built in a day, but the universe was created in 6. So, you know, and here's the thing, when God created the universe, he didn't even sync his Codeforces submissions to his lights. I'm not trying to compare myself to God here, but one of us is about to make the coolest background imaginable with synced lights to Codeforces submissions, and the other one didn't even bother to create a Codeforces account. I mean, I guess I'll leave it up to you to judge who's better, but it seems kind of self-explanatory, you know, what can I say? All right, here we go. Let's jump into the code. All right, I'm done coding. What do you say we test it to see if this thing works? So in the future, I'm gonna put it probably right here. So when I'm doing contests, you guys will be able to see the light as I'm competing. But for now, I thought I'd put all the lights together and hook them all up all at once. We got them all around the room here. Wake up, Zero.
Always a pleasure hearing you work, sir.
Are you ready?
For you, sir, always.
All right, let's submit. Look at that, look at that. Oh, yes. Let's go, let's go. It's running. We did it, victory. Let's go. All in one afternoon. I'm the best. That was so good. All right, want to try a wrong answer real quick? All right, we're gonna try a wrong answer this time. Hold up, hold up. Look at that, look at that.
Test answer.
Boom, amazing, this is so good. Literally the best thing ever. Oh, such a great project, okay. I did all this whole thing all in an afternoon, including wrapping the presents, which took like an hour. So hopefully you enjoyed the intro. Yeah, it's a fun project. If you want your very own announcement for when your problem submissions get correct or incorrect, you can go to cfnotifications.com. I'll have a link to it in the description. It's totally free. You just type in your handle and it'll listen for your submissions. So then as soon as you're done with the problem, you're ready to submit it, you can move on to the next one immediately without having to sit there and hit F5. If you want to build your own ones of these, let me know. We can hook stuff up. Yeah, so this is Zero. I'll be doing a little bit more with these lights and Zero in the future, and if you're interested in that, I guess let me know. Because there's a lot of cool stuff we can do. I've got this all hooked up programmatically, so I can, have it automatically wake me up and everything like that. There's endless possibilities right there. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And I thought this was a pretty fantastic project and a pretty amazing solution to the problem that I started out with. All right. See you guys the next time.